Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be learning Hlookup. Hlookup is nothing but horizontal lookup. When you compare to VLOOKUP is nothing but a vertical lookup, whereas Hlookup is a horizontal lookup. So here, say for example, I have a reference or a base data, and here I have a data as a master data, same as we see in VLOOKUP. So in this, for example, here we'll be start entering the formula equals, again drop down, more functions, HL, HL, okay, Hlookup, then click OK. Here you can see it is asking for a reference. I'll select this. Table array, I'll be selecting the table, say with 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay, and but I want the third row, that is the values row, and I want to be exact match, so I'll be entering false, then hit enter. So you can see it has taken the data and it has matched the column from the columns reference number, and it has taken the table data to our base data. This is very helpful when you have multiple columns and you want to match the exact column data to your base sheet. Same as in VLOOKUP, we match exact row references. So here we'll be referencing the column reference. So I hope this session gave you a fair idea and good information about Hlookup. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.